Now see student, this is last expression and this is the integrated form of one-top's equation. Previously we seen about one-top's equation. Only we have to integrate that one-top's equation. You will get this integrated form or this one. Now one-top's equation is what is one-top's equation? Derivative of ln Kp is equals to delta H0 upon RT square into dt. Okay, no doubt this is the one-top's equation for the reaction which is at equilibrium. Now let me assume Kp1 is equilibrium constant at temperature say T1 Kelvin and Kp2 is equilibrium constant at temperature T2 Kelvin. And for this reaction which is carried out at two different temperature, then there will be no change on this delta H0, that is change in the enthalpy. Means delta H0 remains constant but delta H0 remains constant between temperatures T1 and T2 Kelvin. Okay, this is important. Okay, let me assume Kp1 and Kp2 at temperature T1 and T2 respectively, but this delta H0 remains constant at temperature T1 and T2 or between the temperature T1 and T2. Now integrate this equation, that is one-top's equation. Integrate equation 1 between limits. You know the limits of Kp, Kp1 to Kp2. Okay, limits of temperature T1 to T2. Okay, now integration of derivative of ln Kp. Limits are Kp1 to Kp2. Okay, is equals to delta H0 upon R constant. Now integration of dt upon this t square, limits T1 to T2. Very simple. Okay, now only here limits are kept. Lower limit Kp1 corresponding temperature T1, upper limit Kp2 then its corresponding temperature T2, and there is no change in delta H0, remains constant. But you know what is the value of integration of 1 upon x square. Now you know what is the value of integration, this formula dx upon x square. This is nothing but minus 1 by x. You have to use this formula here. Now again here you have to use integration of dx is x. Okay, these two formulae you have to use. Now using these two formulae, integration of Kp1 to Kp2 derivative of ln Kp2, that's why it will be ln Kp, lower limit Kp1 and upper limit Kp2 is equals to delta H0 upon R remains as it is, integration of 1 upon t square into dt, that is minus 1 upon t, lower limit T1, upper limit T2. Now further solving, what you get, you know, after putting these values of upper limit and lower limit, how it can be solved. This is ln Kp, this is kp1 to kp2, that's why ln kp2 minus ln kp1. Okay, simple integration is there. Later on, after integration, simple limits are there. Okay, that is equals to delta h0 upon r. Now here put upper limit, it will be minus 1 upon t2. Instead of t, only kept here upper limit, then minus minus become plus, it will be 1 upon t1. Now here the rule, logarithmic rule, which is that rule, log m minus log n, it will be log m upon n, that's why kp2 upon kp1. Okay, this is left side, then delta h0 upon r. Now see this, 1 upon t1 minus 1 upon t2. Okay, since it is minus, that's why here. Okay, it is plus, that's why here. Now further, left hand side remains as it is, ln kp2 upon kp1, that is equals to delta h0 upon r. Okay, that is equals to into t2 minus t1 upon t1 t2. Okay, getting it? What is it? It will be this one. Now further solving this equation, how it can be solved? Now this natural log is converted into log to the base 10 if it multiplied by 2.303. That's why remaining terms remains same. Only this ln is converted into log to the base 10 if multiplied by 2.303. Then right hand side, delta is 0 upon r, then it will be remains as it is, t2 minus t1 upon t1 into t2, and this is nothing but our One-Top's equation as an integrated form. And further, log to the base 10 kp2 upon kp1 is equals to delta h0. This is multiplication, here cross multiplication is there, that's why it comes to denominator, and it will be in this way. And this is nothing but the integrated form of One-Top's equation, which is very useful in order to derive integrated form of One-Top's equation, as well as in order to solve the numerical based on this One-Top's equation. If in a numerical, equilibrium constant at two different temperatures are given, and if you have to calculate the enthalpy change, that's why T1, T2, Kp1, Kp2 are given. You know the gas constant capital R. Put all these values of T1, T2, Kp1, Kp2, calculate delta is 0. Or in between Kp1 or Kp2, any one is given and all these RHS terms are also given, then calculate another Kp. In this way, this One-Top's equation, first of all, later on integrated forms of One-Top's equation. But integrated form, how it is obtained? You know the One-Top's equation. What is One-Top's equation? Derivative of ln Kp is equals to delta H0 upon RT square into dt. This equation, derivative of ln Kp is equals to delta H0 upon RT square into dt. This is the One-Top's equation. Only you have to integrate this in between the limits Kp1 to Kp2 and temperature T1 to T2. But during this change, the delta H0 remains constant. This is very important. Okay. And you must know the two rules of integration. First one is integration of dx is x, and later on second one is integration of derivative of ln x is ln x. Okay, and again you must know the integration of dx upon x square as minus 1 by x. Okay, these rules are known to you, then you are able to find out the integrated form easily. Okay, this is integrated, 1/2 integrated form of equation. Okay, I think all these steps are easy, only you must know 2-3 things. Okay, easy to remember also. Okay, only 1/2 equation, limits, then integrate. Simple integrations are there. Solve, then prove. Okay.